lost my power steering. This is probably not how you want your power steering pump. Just disassemble like that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey and this is my Jeep. And today we're down in Oregon near Florence on the dunes. Yeah, there's no crawling here, it's all momentum.
What is on the other side? Just turn?
You're fine.
Flat up here.
So we're a little ways from our normal Vancouver Island where we would be off-roading. Totally different setting for off-roading here on the sand dunes. So Florence is about a 10-hour drive down the coast. We took the Pacific Coast Highway, which is a beautiful drive along the ocean, and just a really awesome drive. Even if you're not into off-roading, I would take my car down there and drive down the coast. It's an amazing drive. So here are some shots from the way down. It took us about 10 hours. We stopped halfway down at a small city called Seaside, which I think it's off season right now, so it's quite quiet, but during the summer it looks like it's a really busy, really nice town, huge beaches, just a really cool place. And then on the second way, on the way down, we drove all the way to Florence, another 4 hours, finished our drive, and arrived here at the house that we rented. As luck would have it, I seem to have broken my power steering pump out here on the beach, so we're just gonna get the Jeep back, limp it back, air it up the front tires to street PSI. Gonna get it back to the house, ordered a new pump, and it'll be here in the morning. We'll throw it in and we'll get back out to wheeling. It is a pretty hard thing to steer without a power steering pump at all, but we're good, we're back. might be something I might consider carrying around, because that really leaves you dead in the water if you were in one of those. So, but here we are, just cruising down the beach. It's really pretty. Guys are behind me in their Jeeps. Looks like we broke the power steering pump. The shaft seems to have snapped on it, so we're just in the driveway here at our rental house, and we are about to pull off the power steering pump. So shouldn't be too hard to repair. Got another one coming in tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, so I'm going to get it taken off right now. This is probably not how you want your power steering pump. To just disassemble like that. In case you're wondering what a bad power steering pump looks like. Yep, we'll get another one. 10-minute fix, good to go. There we go, just aired down again. After airing back up after blowing the power steering pump, put some air in the tires so that I could actually steer on the road to get it back to the house. And we're just gonna air back down, new pump's in, working good. And gonna head back out, hit the sand dunes again here shortly. I knew this was gonna happen if you went over it. Follow the leader is always an interesting game out here on the dunes.
Yay, I carried speed.
Maddie, what are you doing? You don't say. We just stopped for a quick break to drive the RCs on the side of this dune here and let Maddie have a little bit of fun in the sand. And I think we're going to be having a lot of sand in the bathtub tonight.
I'm trying to slide down.
Oh, you're gonna be full of sand. Look at your foot. Where's Red? Oh, Red's parked over on the side of the hill. So we really find the RCs are a great toy to have out for a little break from sitting in the Jeeps. from being out on the dunes for too long. We just stopped, have a little bit of lunch, have something to drink, busted out the axial RCs, and we're just having a little fun. And Maddie is getting full of sand. How much sand is in your boots? A lot? So coming down here in the off season is a really great value because as you can see out here, it's still really warm. It's about 16, 17 degrees Celsius today, but everything, all the rentals down here are a quarter of the price they would be during the summer. And coming down here with the Jeeps really doesn't make a difference too much what the weather is. If you get a little bit of sun, but it's a bit cool, that's fine. The Jeeps run pretty hot on the dunes as it is. So really awesome spot. If you guys haven't ever wheeled your Jeeps on sand, I highly recommend coming down to here. Florence, next to Dune City, tons of rentals if you want to rent a house. There's some really nice campgrounds around here as well that you can camp at. But come down here in the off season, we're down here in the middle of the week. There's nobody on the dunes other than us. It's super quiet. It's really nice. It's warm out. I don't even need this sweatshirt today. And everything's a lot cheaper because nobody's vacationing here during the off season. The ocean is over that way through the it's kind of like a forest, and there's some trails that run through there. And then once you get through over to where we are, there's just huge rolling sand dunes everywhere that you can see. So you do have to be a bit careful. There's lots of unexpected things that can come out on the dunes as you're driving along if you're not paying attention. It's really easy to miss a swell or a dip or a hole or something like that. And that can really cause a lot of damage to your axle. So if you are coming down here, make sure you are being careful and just watching where you're going all the time, and you'll have a lot of fun. Let's go see what Steve's got himself into over here. What's going on? We're playing in the sand.
Digging holes.
Digging for gold? We're gonna have to give this hill a go, Mads.
Seriously?
Yep, you ready?
The one that she just got.
We're gonna try the one that Steve just got stuck on. You ready?
That looks like annoying.
Nailed it.
I should have been in third gear, not second.
The 4-door automatic advantage. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. This is the first of 2 videos that I'm going to upload of our trip down to the Oregon Dunes. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. I really appreciate all the new subscribers on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video very shortly.